this is Seth Jessica, the Emerging Media Manager at Homes for Heroes, and I decided to create 2-minute videos with tips for your business, and I'm going to be sharing these videos on Tuesdays. So I decided to call these videos 2-minute Tip Tuesdays. Kind of makes sense. So what I decided to kick off 2-minute Tip Tuesdays with is a video that is extremely important and relevant in today's virtual world that we're all living in. So as many of you are experiencing in your work life, and if you have children, your kids are experiencing this too in their school life with distance learning and online schools, we're all coming together to meet and collaborate in virtual meeting places such as apps like Zoom. And actually the virtual meeting app Zoom is at an all-time high in terms of the amount of users that have downloaded and now are using the app for their virtual meetings. So these virtual meeting apps are great resources and tools that allow us to stay productive during this time where we're practicing social distancing in order to fight the coronavirus. However, it does provide an opportunity for hackers to come into these virtual meetings, be disruptive, and in many cases share explicit content. In any meeting that I'm a part of, that's just not welcomed and appreciated. So what I'm going to do in today's 2-minute Tip Tuesday is show you how to set up your Zoom account that prevents hackers from being able to access your meeting. So let's put 2 minutes on the clock. Let's jump in Zoom and I'll show you how to set up your account to prevent hackers from joining your virtual meetings on Zoom. Step number 1, make sure you have downloaded or updated the latest of the Zoom app to your device. This is going to make sure that Zoom is not only operating at its optimal performance on your device, it's also going to make sure that you have access to the latest features on the Zoom app, which includes the updated versions of the privacy and security settings. Step number 2, you're going to want to make sure that you have the option for join before host toggled off. Toggling this off will prevent anybody from joining your meeting prior to you joining the meeting. So if you are scheduling meetings and you're inviting others to attend that meeting, make sure you have the join before host option toggled off. Step number 3, make sure you toggle off the use personal meeting ID PMI option. When you toggle this option off, Zoom will automatically create a unique link for you to share with the people that you want to attend the meeting. The important part of this step is that you share that unique link only with the people that you want to attend the meeting through private channels. Make sure that you're not sharing that link through online or through social media channels where hackers might be able to access it and therefore attend your meeting. And then step number 4, make sure you toggle on the options for requiring a password. Now this is just another layer of security that prevents anybody without a password from joining your meeting. So make sure that the people that you want to attend the meeting have the unique link to attend your meeting, and then they also have the password to access your meeting. And that way hackers won't be able to attend your meeting unless they somehow access a password through black magic or something. And then step number 5, toggle on the option for waiting room. When you toggle on the option for waiting room, people who you invite to your meeting will enter into a waiting room prior to your virtual meeting. And when they're sitting in this waiting room, you will then provide them access to join your virtual meeting before they have access to it. So this way, if a hacker was able to pull off black magic, get that unique link with the password, and they tried to access your meeting, they would be placed into that virtual or into that waiting room, and you would need to give them access to join your virtual meeting. And it's just another layer of security that is provided to you when you turn on the waiting room option. And then the bonus step that I'm going to give to you is make sure that you toggle on the virtual background option. Now, if you're a Homes for Heroes real estate or mortgage specialist, we have created Homes for Heroes themed virtual backgrounds that you can use for your Zoom meetings. And those Homes for Heroes themed virtual backgrounds with their instructions are available to you in your Homes for Heroes affiliate toolbox. So make sure you turn on that option for virtual backgrounds and then use those Homes for Heroes themed virtual backgrounds. So that is my 2-minute tip this Tuesday. I hope this has been helpful. I know that I completely failed on the time clock, but hey, this is my 2-minute tip Tuesday video and I can do with it as I want. So since I have already blown it anyways, I'm just going to do a quick shameless plug. Make sure that you tune in to Real Talk with Homes for Heroes and Digital Dive with Homes for Heroes, 2 great shows that we publish to YouTube, the Homes for Heroes YouTube channel, as well as the Homes for Heroes Instagram TV channel. They have great marketing tips and tutorials to help you grow your real estate or mortgage lending business. So thank you guys so much. I hope this video has been helpful, and remember, practice your virtual meetings safely, and I'll catch up with you guys soon. Take care.